To use a Zopa credit card, you first need to understand what Zopa is and how it works. Zopa is a digital bank that offers a range of financial products including credit cards. The Zopa credit card is designed to help you manage your finances effectively and make the most of your money. Before you can use a Zopa credit card, you need to apply for one. To do this, you will need to meet the eligibility criteria, which includes being a UK resident and being at least 18 years old. You will also need to have a good credit score, as this will determine the interest rate you are offered and whether your application is accepted. Once you have applied for a Zopa credit card and been accepted, you can start using it to make purchases online or in store. You can also use it to pay bills or transfer money to other accounts. The Zopa credit card allows you to set a budget and track your spending so you can stay in control of your finances. To get the most out of your Zopa credit card, you should make sure you pay your bill on time each month. This will help you avoid interest charges and late payment fees. You should also try to pay more than the minimum payment each month to clear your balance quickly and avoid paying too much interest. It is also important to be aware of the interest rate and fees associated with your Zopa credit card. The interest rate will determine how much you are charged if you do not pay your bill in full each month. There may also be fees for things like late payments or going over your credit limit. In addition to the benefits of using a Zopa credit card, there are also some best practices to keep in mind. You should always check your statement regularly to make sure there are no errors or suspicious transactions. You should also avoid using your credit card for cash withdrawals, as this can be expensive and may incur additional fees. Overall, using a Zopa credit card can be a great way to manage your finances and make the most of your money. By following these steps and being aware of the key concepts and best practices, you can get the most out of your Zopa credit card and stay in control of your finances.